Assalamualaikum and hello everybody. I hope everybody is doing fine. Today I'm making those kebabs and I'm calling them healthy kebabs. You will see later in the video why I'm calling them healthy. And I'm making them without any added fat. Whatever fat is in the kebab meat right here, this is the one for hamburgers. It has already good amount of fat in it. Then I have carrots, I have mild jalapeno peppers, I have onion and fresh mint, and I will add a few spices, ginger garlic paste, salt and red pepper flakes, optional, and some onion and garlic powder for more flavor. So let's get started. Yes, this is the tangy one. If you want to add a little bit tanginess, you can add this mix to it. So we are keeping it simple and we are keeping it healthy. So I have 2 carrots, not large, you have medium size 2 carrots, and I have around 2 pounds of hamburger meat with some fat in it, and this fat is the one that's going to cook the hamburgers without me adding any fat to the pan. Those peppers are very mild, very mild, but nice flavor. And onion does the binding. That's what my experience tells me, that onion does the binding. प्याज जो होता है वो कबाब के मीट को जोड़ने का काम करता है. तो ये सारा कुछ हम डालेंगे और इसको इकट्ठा एक मिक्सचर बना लेंगे जैसे कबाब का बनाते हैं. So I'll be putting all that in the food processor and make a mixture, kebab mixture, and then we will just start from there. So everything is cut. Add everything now at this point so we have a even flavor in all of it. That was 2 packets of onion and garlic powder, then 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon or more you can add of pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste that I made at home, a little bit tanginess. This is the Tajin spice mix, some dry cilantro, fresh mint. So ड्राई धनिया डाला है और फ्रेश मिंट डाली है, प्याज है, गाजर है और अनियन गार्लिक का पेस्ट भी है और पाउडर भी डाला है. तो बहुत ही अच्छा फ्लेवर आने वाला है इन कबाब्स का. अगर आपके बच्चों को कबाब अच्छे लगते हैं तो आप ये इस तरह करके उनको दे सकते हैं ताकि थोड़ा सा हेल्दी भी हो, उनके लिए अच्छा हो, क्योंकि वैसे बच्चे कम ही वेजिटेबल्स खाते हैं. अच्छा, अब हमने इक्वल अमाउंट डालना है. वी विल डू इट इन लाइक 3 वेजेस, सम कैरेट्स, सम मीट एंड सम वेज, okay, you see that it's coming together, and when it looks like this, it's done. It doesn't have to be fine, but it's pretty good. Hold it in your hand to see the texture. It's not runny, it's not too hard. So all I have to do is to pick up a 1 patty size, एक कबाब के साइज़ के जितना उठा के, तो आपने बस उसको कबाब की शेप देनी है और गरम ग्रिल के ऊपर डाल के तो आपने उसको बनाना शुरू कर देना है. That's it. Just give it a good shape and no need to add anything to the grill. Just put it there and all the fats in that meat will just drip out of it. So let's make some more. Yes, it is that easy. You can literally in 20 minutes you can have those healthy kebabs on your hand. You can have them just like that with salad. You can have them over rice like my kids did, or you can just make a sandwich out of it. Nice patties for sandwich too. Just shape them and cook them. See, it's soft, but it's not drippy soft. It's not falling out of my hands, and it's not too hard. बहुत सख्त भी नहीं है और बहुत नरम भी नहीं है. तो बहुत अच्छा सा बन गया है ये मिक्सचर. अभी ये देखें ऑयल जो है वो बाहर आना शुरू हो गया उसमें से. all this, the fats that were in there are going to cook my patties evenly, and then the oil is just going to drain itself out. Yep. And you can see from the color, the carrot color, गाजर का color आपको नज़र आ रहा है, yellowish kebabs बन रहे हैं. But I'm telling you, they are very very tasty. और जब मेरे हस्बैंड ने खाया तो वो मुझे पूछ रहे हैं कि ये कौन सा कबाब था, कौन सा मीट यूज़ किया तुमने. मैंने नहीं बताया कि कौन से मीट के लिए क्या था. ये थे बीफ के कबाब थे, बीफ का मिंस एंड कैरेट्स. तो उसके जो फ्लेवर बना है वो किसी को समझ नहीं आ रही थी कि क्या है. ये देखिए अंदर से कैसे अच्छे से कुक हो गया, कुक्ड परफेक्टली इवनली, and you don't see any more fats in there. It's nice and soft, very very tender. So there you go. I have already rice made, so my kids requested the kebab so they can have the rice pilaf, peas pilaf with the kebab. Let me know what you think about it. Share if you like and comment. I will appreciate that. Thank you very much, and I will see you soon with another recipe. Thank you for watching.